Hello, sixth class students. We will do history portions. Second lesson, the Stone Age and earliest societies. Page number 16. Techniques of tool making. The stone tool were produced by two distinct techniques. First one is stone on stone. In this method, one hand of the tool maker firmly held the stone or core from which the tool was to be made. With the other hand, another stone was used as a hammer. This hammer stone was used to strike off flakes from the core stone till the required shape and size were obtained. Second one is pressure flaking. In this method, the core stone was placed on a firm ground or surface. The hammer stone was placed on a piece of bone or stone that was placed on the core to remove flakes that could be shaped into tools. Uses of stones. The stone tools were used to dig the ground, hunt animals, and skin them. Cut trees, scrape the barks of trees, chop meat, fruits, and wood, and to stitch animal skills for making clothes. Next one is rock paintings. Early humans lived in caves and they decorated them with paintings on the walls. These drawings were of running wild horses, bananas, bears, stag, and herd of other animals. Some of these are found in Madhya Pradesh and southern Uttar Pradesh. Red, green, white, and orche colors are used in the paintings. These paintings also show men hunting either in groups or alone, riding, women grinding, and preparing food and dancing. Environmental changes. As discussed earlier, the climate of the world changed around 12,000 years ago. It became warm from cold. Due to this change, grassland developed. This development increased the number of animals that survived on grass. Hunters of these animals also followed them. They learned about their breeding seasons and food habits. Slowly, people started thinking about rearing these animals themselves. During this time, several grain-bearing grasses including rice, barley, and wheat grow naturally in different parts of the subcontinent. Early humans collected these grains and used them as food. They learned their cycle when they ripened and where they grew. This might have been the beginning of growing plants by humans in other parts of the world during that time. Rock paintings was also discovered elsewhere in the world. For example, in France, historians believe that such paintings were made between 20,000 and 10,000 years ago. The ingredients of the colors were mainly minerals like orche or iron ore and charcoal. The subject of these paintings were animals like bisons, woolly rhinoceros, reindeers, and so on. It is believed that these rock paintings were perhaps created on ceremonies for special rituals or perhaps by hunters before they went for hunting. Points to remember. Historians believe that human beings first appeared on earth about 1.5 million years ago. Early humans depended on stones for their survival. That is why this period is called the Stone Age. Stone Age is classified into three sub-periods: Paleolithic period, Old Age Stone; Mesolithic period, Middle Stone Age; Neolithic period, New Stone Age. Evolution of mankind is believed to have started in Paleolithic age. It roughly began around 5 lakhs BCE and ended around 1 lakh BCE. The period of Mesolithic age started from 10,000 BCE and ended around 8,000 BCE. The Neolithic age lasted from about 8,000 BCE till about 4,000 BCE. The stone tools were produced by two distinct techniques: stone on stone. Second one is pressure flaking. Early people lived in caves and they decorated them with paintings on the walls.